Hi guys! Today with Chester, we are in Binondo.
Shot na naman ng buhok ko. Ako 180 lang.
Now we know na Binondo is for 3 or more people. So, as a Sponty Binondo trip dahil na-crave kami. And we're gonna go to some famous spots and some places na hindi pa namin na-try this time. And our first stop is Lanzo Handful Noodles. Ito yung una naming nadaanan. And dahil wala pa kaming lunch, nag-guess namin na, we want to try this Handful Noodles. And they're actually making it on the spot after we ordered. So, we had a chance to see kung paano ba talaga nila ginagawa yung noodles. Here's Malumps. Signature mo na. So we just ordered the one dry mixed noodles for the both of us.
Ay, wala.
This one.
Hindi rin tayo sa beach sa ganyan.
Alin yung restaurant? Ay, may red.
Sige, sige.
Yung sa noodles. Sarap naman. Chewy type yung noodles. Very chewy noodles. Giving Taiwan, Ocean Dong.
Very good. Very good spot. Unexpected finds. Ang sarap nun. Ang sarap ng noodles. Ang sarap ng handful noodles. Must try. Okay, on to the next stop. As we continue walking on Queen Street, we found this pork and beef stock pie shop. So we're selling the tarts there and the stuffed beef, and we found Taiwanese sausage. So kakauwi lang namin galing Taiwan a few months back and we're craving it. How was it? Ang sausage sila talagang kini-crave ko. Tasting the sausage, sobrang init niya kasi parang microwave lang nila. Pero tastes similar to what you're gonna have in Taiwan. So must try this as well. Top yung sausage, top yung beef, the burger, stuffed pie. There's a lot of dragon juice place around the area. Pero na-entice kami bumili dito dahil ang dami lang display of actual dragon fruit. So, feeling namin legit. So, we checked it out. Nasa tapat lang siya ng fried siopaw o ng oishikun. So, bumili kami ng one large. So, they place an actual pulp of the dragon fruit. Then, I think dragon fruit juice and condensed milk for sweetener and ice. So, it's very large na enough for 2 people. And actually, nainom pa namin to all the way up to kung ano mang nakain namin. Pahalo. Huwag ang tabang.
Wala lasa. Ayun yung yung kay Breadman. Meron siyang dragon fruit kasi na na plantation.
Oo. Talaga?
Hindi yung plantation, plantan lang. May backyard lang. Kumakain siya ng dragon fruit na raw. Tasteless.
Tasteless. Ay, sa ilalim.
I like the taste of nothing. Kulang sa kondensada.
I like it. It's ano?
Yung siya nung may
Yung sound tamis. That's a dragon fruit drink that we bought. Ang hirap pa na mag-video kumain. Well, ginawa na namin. Ito kami pag travel eh. Pero experience of videoing sa Nano. Hindi siya kasing dali nung sa Osmo. Pag may stand ako doon, tapos naikot-ikot ko yung direction niya, so madali lang. But anyway, matamis. Ang sakap yung dragon fruit. Hindi siya masyado matamis kahit mukhang ang daming condense. Okay. Hawak ko naman siya. Tapos, hanap na kami ng next. Di ba naman nakakain na aming Binondo trip ay pagbili ng fried siopaw dito. It's always really tasty and with affordable price of 35 pesos each. And as you can see, medyo mabilis lang yung pila kahit medyo mahaba yung kita nyo. And they're creating it fresh. So nakita nyo binabalot pa lang din siya upon ordering. So you can expect na piping hot talaga yung fried siopaw na mawibin nyo. And they're selling other stuff as well. Okay. Baka mamaya na.
Ayan na.
Sige, sige. When we're researching a place to try in Binondo recently, so we found this mochi place online that sells mochi. Then there's a cream and fruit inside that they're just gonna make it upon ordering. So here we just order the matcha mango. They're filling up so much cream and a lot of mango bits inside and encasing it dun sa mochi. Apa, isa lang. Okay, try namin yung mochi dito. Gusto pinunta ni Eman dito. Ano show it, hindi. Masyado ito malapit. Ito yung kita ko na nangyari. Delicious.
It's cheesy. Bakit
Cheesy?
cheesy?
Bakit cheesy? Cream cheese. Cream cheese matcha. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Pag unang tikim namin, akala ko parang whipped cream taste yung cream niya.
Ang sarap.
Cream cheese siya. Cream cheese, tas may mango, tas mochi. This is good. It costs 120 pesos yung isang buo. Akala ko nung una medyo mahal siya, pero parang ang sarap naman niya. Parang worth it na siya. Nabos namin agad siya. Ang sarap niya.
Ang sarap.
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 Bibili ulit kami mamaya. Yan. Let's go to the next adventure. This may have been our best thing that we have tasted for this Binondo trip. Take it with a grain of salt. Pero for us, when we first tried this jade bun from Koke Bakery, we actually went back 4 more times until posting for today for the box of 6-piece and jade bun. So we just bought 1 piece here, but we actually bought like 1 6-piece box afterwards na inuwi namin siya. Oo nga, no? Mochi din. Ikaw muna.
170.
Mochi-ish din pala yung flavor. Okay na ba yung flavor? So, mochi eggy custard. Sarap. Kumano yung distinguish nila?
Sarap ang sarap. Floss. Pork floss.
Pork floss in custard. Sarap. Sarap ang texture niya. Texture difference. Hindi pa tayo. Ha? Okay. Chewy. Chewy. Crunchy. Sabi ko kay Kuya, sa yung bagluto. Kasi nakita ko may bagluto. Walking around. May nabubusog na kami. Oh no. Oh no. Nabubusog na kami pa. May kaya pa to. Laban pa.
Naka-landscape.
Napila kami ngayon sa fried xiaolongbao ng Egg Bentin. Usual, ang haba pa rin ng pila. Nasa 7-Eleven pa rin kami. Hindi man ganun katagal na yung pila. Compared dati 3 hours. Yung talaga yung reference namin. Ngayon, mga 20-ish minutes namin nag-aantay. Ganun. secured ng Xiaolongbao. Bumili kami ng Taiwan chicken poppers for 150 pesos
Shoutout
sa Engventin.
shoutout to Poppers Philippines.
Baka mano tayo. Tawag dito, trademark.
Poppers Philippine Society.
Okay, salamat po. Xiaolongbao chocolate. Baka lang tayo nagagala sa ano? Sa Taiwan. Now, I think Bistro has been around for a while na. Pero before, cart lang sila malapit sa Dongbei. Pero ngayon, meron na silang sariling stall, at least around this time. And yeah, it actually looks good and spacious and ang daming seats available. But they're known this time for their mango sticky rice in a cup. So that's what we bought for 195 pesos. Also, this place is so packed with customers na sitting and talking and having some coffees. How is it? How is it, loves?
Lasang Holy Week. Lasang Semana Santa. Oo. Ano lasa?
Lasang Semana Santa. Masarap. Binondo Life. There's a lot of other food that you can try in Lucky Chinatown in Binondo. So this is usually our last destination when we're going to Binondo. But right now, we just find a random bench with a seat and inain namin yung mga binili namin pagkain. So we have the fried xiaolongbao, the Taiwanese popcorn chicken, and the chocolate xiaolongbao. Let's try the mahaba namin pinila. The fried Emirates. Fried xiaolongbao.
Poppers Philippine Society.
Up. Fried chicken na boneless. Yan, pagkain.
Nga ako.
Now we know na lang. Binondo is for 3 or more people. Kung jowa kayo, maghanap pa kayo ng third wheel sa inyo. Dami.
Calling Del and Judy.
Chocolate xiaolongbao na ang lamig-lamig na. Nanguya pa yung gabi.
Pare. Pakapal mo ka.
Okay. It's explosive. The chocolate is good. Hindi sila siyang choco-choco. Dark chocolate yung lasa niya. Ang kapal lang talaga ng wrapper. Kapal. Napagod ng nguya. So yun guys, yun lang muna for our Binondo trip. Ano pa naman kakaing kakainin, uubusin, then meron pa kaming ganap after nito. But yeah, for this video, I hope na meron kayong
Umuuya pa rin ako.
matutunan na mga pupuntahang places to Binondo this March 2026. So yun lang naman guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and hope you like, subscribe, I don't know, follow my YouTube channel and everything, social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Ano ba siya?